Welcome back to Law and Crime Daily. We head to North Dakota where prosecutors present their opening statement in the love triangle of Nikki Sue Entzel as she tried for allegedly conspiring to kill her husband. Investigators allege Entzel was having an affair with a man named Earl while she was still married to her husband, Chad. In late December of 2019, officials believe Entzel and Howard conspired to kill Chad for a life insurance payout. And just days after filing a $26,000 property insurance policy on the home Entzel shared with her husband. Investigators believe on December 31st, Entzel and Howard shot and killed Chad in their master bedroom with a shotgun. Days later, firefighters and police responded to Entzel calling 911 about a fire at the home. Investigators believe the two started the fire to cover up the murder. Police couldn't determine if it was Entzel or Howard who pulled the trigger. They are both charged with conspiracy to commit murder, among other charges. Howard pled guilty to conspiracy and arson charges and was sentenced to 25 years. Prosecutors on Tuesday gave a timeline of what they say happened in the days leading up to Chad's death.
While Chad was at his bowling league on Monday, that's when they went to the house between 7 and 8:30 p.m. so that they could collect property of Nikki's. After that, there's no more security video at the house because it was turned into privacy mode. While they were there, between that 7 and 8:30 p.m. time frame, they grabbed the propane heater from the garage and put it in the house. They grabbed a shotgun from the bedroom and they put that somewhere in the house. They got the shells for the shotgun and they loaded the shotgun and they left. They came back to the house on December 31st, 2019 at approximately 1 o'clock in the morning. Between 1 and 3 a.m. on December 31st, 2019, Chad Entzel was shot twice with a shotgun and left dead in the home. Before they left the residence after Chad was shot, they staged the room. They staged the bedroom to make it look like Chad killed himself.
The defense didn't present their opening statement Tuesday, but instead deferred it until after the state presents its case. Katherine, how was the prosecution's opening? Did they open with an airtight case?
I'm not sure about airtight, but they did present a very good opening statement there. I say that because it's so easy to understand what the prosecution was saying as to the facts, the details, and what Nikki did and this love triangle. They also presented how the why. She took out an insurance policy before Chad died, and also that there's a love affair with this other guy. That's why she murdered Chad, but we don't know who actually pulled the trigger, and that's the issue. What's fascinating is the prosecution actually charged her with conspiracy.
Could that get Entzel off on a not guilty?
You know what, Brian? I think that's not going to happen. I mean, anything is possible, but I seriously doubt she'll get an acquittal. She was charged, as Katherine said, with conspiracy to commit murder, conspiracy to commit arson, and conspiracy to tamper with evidence. So for all of that, you just need that plan and that agreement. And even if somehow she convinces that jury that he did pull the trigger, the boyfriend, Howard, they're still going to understand and know she was the one who took out that intel. She was the one who was in the home, the fire was set, and she is in this love triangle. And it is her motive that started this entire string of events. So I think even if they blame it on Howard, they're going to get guilty at least on one of those charges.
And I'll be interested to see what the defense says as they postpone that opening statement.
If you learned something new from this video, please go ahead and click subscribe. That's the red button down there. And if you have any questions or any legal topics that you'd like me to cover, feel free to go ahead and place that in the comments below, and I'll try my best to make a YouTube video out of that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!